In this lesson, let's go through the process of setting up an penetration testing machine from scratch. We have here new machine. I haven't set up anything rather than some handful application like browsers. So I thought it might be fun to showing you people for example, like how I set up my browser. Before we move further, I would like to tell you that I am not a big fan of tools except Burp Suite, but I do prefer some add-ons which makes my job easy at the time of testing application. Let's dig into setting up penetration testing machine. When you deal with testing any application, operating system won't matter. It depends upon your choice. You may either use Mac or Windows or Kali Linux or whatever you're most comfortable with. Choosing browser, at the time of choosing browser, you have a lot of choices here. You can either use Chrome or Safari or Mozilla, and there are a lot of other browsers available on the internet. So it's totally your choice to what you want. But I am big fan of Mozilla due to its add-on functionality. Now choosing browser, you have a lot of choices here. You can either use Chrome or Safari or Mozilla, and there are a lot of other browsers available on the internet. So it's totally your choice. But I am big fan of Mozilla due to its add-on functionality. As I said, I am big fan of add-ons. Temper data is one of my favorite because in one word I can say it's totally awesome. You can read each and everything about temper data, like use temper data to view and modify HTTP, HTTPS, headers and post parameters. You can see here how the exactly temper data look like. And also you read about this add-on. Next is live HTTP header. I rarely use this add-on, but sometimes it's very helpful when temper data fail to hit job. You can read each and everything about this live HTTP header. Next, there is a default user agent switcher. It gives you ability to change your user agent. Basically, I use it to find mobile version of any site, and you may utilize it whenever you want to see the mobile version of any website. Mostly developer host mobile version on yum.xyzdomain.com, but sometimes website load mobile version after detecting the user agent. With this extension you can change user agent as mobile and view mobile version of any site. Trust me, sometimes mobile version hold different code as compared to PC version, so big chances of getting high impact vulnerability. Now to test this user agent, just go to tools and default user agent and simply change it to iPhone 3.0, and when you refresh this page, you can see here the mobile version of this URL or this addons.mozilla.org. I will simply take it back to default, and again when I run it will back to PC version. Next is clickjacking defense. It helps us to find out whether current URL have experiment option enabled or not, or in short, it helps to detect clickjacking vulnerability. Now hack bar. It's like penetration testing tool. It helps you to test SQL injection and XSS attack. You can read each and every functionality about this add-on from this page. You can see there are some advantages like MD5, SH1, SH256 hashing, then XSS useful function, and also there are some shortcuts. Now, when you try to report some vulnerability to admin, it's always good to have record the POC, or we can call it as proof of concept. On Mac I use ScreenFlow, and on Windows you can use the Camtasia, or on Windows you can use this Camtasia. Now when you record any video POC, you need to send it to admin or developer. Now it's really bad practice or bad habit to attach POC video to email. Trust me, that will make a bad impact on admin because they never interested in downloading your video. Rather than, you can use any online video streaming site. Personally, I use Dropbox. If you don't have any account here, take a step and register account and start using it. So far this is the small setup I do when I this is my small setup when I start testing on any new machine. In next few videos we're gonna run some Python script, so I recommend you to install Python on your local machine. One more thing, we need to install here burp suite, but we will tackle down more about burp suite in next video.